Goblin mode meaning. Explain goblin mode to me. It is considered to be in goblin mode, a slang word for a state of mind in which one willfully and openly gives into and indulges in low habits and activities, without any consideration for the consequences. Various people's ideas of what constitutes a goblin mode include indulging in a junkie, food and media, and ignoring one's looks and occasionally cleanliness. Most of the time, when people talk about going into the goblin mode, they mean a short-lived mental state, such when they do it on the weekend or after they get home from work. As an example, this past weekend I ate an entire bucket of ice cream while naked and watched reality TV. The statement is usually used to oneself as a means of embracing the conduct in question and is meant to be at least somewhat funny. Many expressions, such as enter goblin mode and go full goblin mode, make use of the word because of its connotation as a behavioral style. As an antithesis and response to the kind of healthy, orderly, and productive routines and lives that are often depicted and lauded in carefully curated social media material, goblin mode has gained popularity in recent years. One further application of the term a goblin mode is to describe persons or animals who exhibit a sudden wild disposition.